Bye. 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 Insane that you knew that. Insane that you knew that. I need to relocate. It is time to relocate. Wow. A lot of you guys know where I am, but where are you? Pull up. Pull up, little baby. Okay? Okay, if you're gonna dox me, at least send me a galaxy, at least send me money, okay? I need to get an Uber to the fucking death today, okay? I gotta get an Uber that leads me directly into hell, okay? I'm buying an Uber, aiming it straight down, boom, burying into the middle of the world, in like the lava in the center of the world. Oh my God, meow! Oh my God, meow! Y'all can't meow like me. Big kitty shit, bah, okay? There's a reason they call me OG Whiskers, okay? I was reading the Warriors books in real life. I was the cats in the Warriors books, okay? I was Firestar, I was Katze. I was Katze Star. Don't play with me. Don't play with me. It's a big, we're on big meow game. Run up on me with the 1-2, I'll hit you with the, you know what I'm saying? We don't play like that. Anyway, guys. Anyways. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All these cars are stalking me, which I don't like. Every single one of them, they've been following me this whole time, which is fine. It happens all the time. Look at this car. Fed. CIA agent. Literal Fed. Another one. Fed. They're all working against me. They want to stop me. They're all feds. They're all federal agents. Every single one of these cars is stalking me, okay? Everyone on this road, everyone in Atlanta, stalking me. And I'm gonna hit a TikTok dance now. Guys, lock in. If I hit this shit, you all have to send me $1 million. Okay? 1 million. Go find your mom's money. Take all your mom's money, okay? And then send it to me. I'm gonna hit this. Hey, we think about that? Ooh. Okay, I'm done. Did I hit that? Did I hit that shit? What did you send me? You sent me a dolphin? Y'all want to see my impression of a dolphin? Wow, one lightning strike. Smited down. Thank you for the lightning. You're dust now, okay? Decimated. Wow. I hit the whip and I hit the nay-nay. Feds, those are cars, the cars behind me, they're stalking me. They're watching me. They want to see me do my silly dance. Wow, you sent me a thing? Wow. Thanks for sending me the, wow. A rose? That smells kind of good. Roar. I think I really like you. Wow. I think I really like you. Wow. I think I really like you. Wow. I think I really like you. Wow, these roses smell atrocious. These roses smell like Moses. Comatosis. Sip and walk on my toes, sis. In New York, I'm really rock. Hand heart, wow, I love you. I'm in love with you. Where are you? Where do you live? Can I show up? I'm in love with you. Please, let me, please. Turn my swag on. Do the silly dance. Okay, guys.